I'm here today with this heated blanket and I'm really eager to test this out. So let's unbox this and see what we get. And if this could be something that I could recommend to you guys. So let's first open up the box here. It's just a normal type of looking box. Then I have a long power cord. And it supposedly has 10 heat settings, and you can control everything with this thing. It is quite large, so didn't really expect it to be this large. So you also need to sit next to an outlet with your heated blanket. Oh, and then we have a little book, and that is about it. So let's open this up and see what we get. Oh, it's really soft. That is nice. I'm not gonna lie, that is so soft. Yeah, look at that. Wow. That is really nice and soft. And then here it seems you have a little hard patch. And that is, oh yeah, that is where the plug goes into. It's a really strange connector. Nothing I've ever seen. So you need to use this when you're heating it. So let's plug this in. Oh, let's plug this in and see what we get with it. Yeah, so this way around. Okay, so that's nice and plugged in there. And then I have an outlet right here on the front of my desk. Okay, so that is on. Let's see. Okay, so I've got a power button right here. So let's use that. And it says level 8. Level 2, 3. Okay, so it said, oh, let's see if you can see that. So it has these levels, 4, 5, 6, and you have a timer right there. So you can set this on a timer so you don't forget. For when you're trying to sleep, for example, that would be nice. So this is the 2 setting. Let's see if that already is heating up. So in the blanket there, oh, look at that. That's so nice and soft in there. On the inside and the outside. Oh yeah, that's already warming up. In between here are these, like, it feels a little bit hard, but it's not too bad. Only when I push down on it, it feels a little bit harder than the rest. And those are, I think, the lines the heat is coming through. And you just have one part here, the bottom part, that goes into the outlet, and then the rest. I need to be careful not to cover up my mic here. The rest can go over you. Yeah, so 2 is just a little bit warm. So let's crank this up to 10. And I really like the timer function as well. Oh, it's heating up really quickly now. So it's nice that it's heating up so quickly, so you don't need to wait when you put on a blanket like this, like wait for 10 minutes before it's warm. You can just put this over you. It's already warm by itself, mind you, because of like the lining here, very soft lining, and then it's getting really warm, really hot. But even this 10 setting isn't that bad. Oh yeah, it's a little bit too warm for me. I'm going to put this on like medium, like 5. And I think once that cools down, I think that's the perfect setting for me. And then you can just lie on the couch or in your bed and have this cover you, set the timer. So if you fall asleep, it doesn't run for hours and hours. and you're still warm in there. That's really, really nice. It has these threads going all the way from the bottom up to the top. So every part here is warm. And then here's one, and here. So like every 10 centimeters, or every couple of inches, there's like a warm line in there. Really warm. So I really recommend this. Very cool, very warm. And I hope this video has helped you make your choice.